Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about 4-1, the coordinate plane. So the coordinate plane is how we're going to graph coordinates given x and y on this grid. So there's 4 sections in a coordinate plane. There's quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. If you notice, they labeled a few other things. The origin is 0, 0. And the y-axis is the vertical axis. The x-axis is the horizontal. And what we're going to be doing is graphing coordinates today, or vice versa. So to start off, we're going to talk about, I'm just going to label these point 1, point 2, and point 3. And we're basically going to find their coordinates. So how you do this is first you follow along the x until you reach where the dot is located. So we're going to start with point 1. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So point 1 is -9 spots away from the origin because it's 9 spots to the left. Then we're going to count up to find our y value. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let me see if I count that right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See, counted wrong. So it is 9 spots up, so that's why it's a positive number. So our coordinate would be 9, 9. Coordinate 2, we're going to do the same thing. So we go over 1, 2, 3, 4 spots. So that's going to be a -4. And then we go down 9 spots. So since we went down, it's -9. Same thing for point 3. So we're going to count how many spots we go over. We go 9 spots to the right. So that's why it's a positive 9 now, because these are all positive numbers. These are all negative numbers on the y-axis. And then we're going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4 spots, giving me -4. And that's how you graph coordinates. So now graphing is the same thing. So we're going to go and we're going to make sure to label these so we know the difference between them all. So I'm going to go 6 spots to the positive, so that'd be right, and then 1 spot up. So I go 6 spots over, 1 spot up. That would be A. For B, I'm going to go 7 spots over, 4 spots up, which would be B. For C, I'm going to go -1 spot over and 3 spots up. That'd be C. D, I'm going 0 spots over, 4 spots up, which would be right there. E, I'm going -3, -2. F, I'm going 1, -5. And G, I'm going -4, 4. So if it's a positive, you move it to the right for your x value, and up is positive. If it's a negative number, you either move it left or down, depending if it's your x or y value. Okay, so now in writing ordered pairs, we do the same thing. So it's always x, y. So we're going to go -1, 1. 5, -2. -6, 6. 7, 6. -7, 3. 3, -4. -2, -5. Now we have to figure out what quadrant these are in. So I'm just going to make a quick grid right here. And I'm going to think, if I go -1, 1, remember this was quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. So -1, 1 would be like right here. So that's in quadrant 2. 5, -2 would be in quadrant 4. -6, 6 would be in quadrant 2. 7, 6 would be in quadrant 1. -7, 3 would be in quadrant 2. 3, -4 would be in quadrant 4. And -2, -5 would be in quadrant 3. And that's all we have for graphing today. So thanks for watching the video, guys. Hopefully that makes sense. Have a great day.